I'm Dr. Judith Collazo, and I'm your instructor for EDUC A632, Diversity in Education. And so this is my welcome video, and I'm hoping that everyone will join in and do a welcome video so we can get to know each other a little better. Let's talk about my experiences teaching diverse learners. I have a PhD in multicultural, multilingual education that I got at George Mason University, and also educational leadership. I have taught over a decade in diverse Title I schools near Washington, D.C., and as an elementary school teacher, also as an ESOL specialist and a school leader. I have also taught courses at George Mason University in cultural diversity and content literacy. I've been here in South Carolina for just 1 year with my multicultural, multilingual family. I have 2 beautiful children. One was born in Bulgaria and the other is half Puerto Rican. So we are a bilingual household. We speak Spanish and English. Unfortunately, we don't speak Bulgarian. I wish we did. So I have not only a lot of experience teaching diverse students, I also was a headmistress or principal of a school in Argentina, where I was the headmistress of students from 2 years old to 5th grade. So it's about 450 students under my care. So I have a diverse family. I have diverse kind of international teaching experience and administrative experience and experiences. And it is my true love and what I work for and advocate for. So I'd love to hear some about you. What grade are you currently teaching, if you are teaching, and what are some of your concerns and issues, and what do you want to learn and get from this course? And when we're thinking about diversity, we're going to be looking at diversity from multiple lenses. So we're not just going to be looking at culture or linguistically diverse learners as kind of what this course seems to be entitled, but we're going to be looking at diversity in its many forms, and also especially with exceptionality, which is special to my heart as I am a mother of a child, an exceptional. Well, both my children are exceptional, but I have a child with autism. So I also have some special understanding in that area. So I'd love to hear about you. And also, if you could on your videos, I know I didn't put this in our little video description, but an interesting fact about you, maybe something that you'd like to share that we could kind of learn something interesting about each other. For example, I just recently went skydiving for the 2nd time. The first time I went when I was about 20 years old, and now my son's about to turn 20 and we went skydiving together again. So that's something fun and silly, interesting about me. So please, when you share your videos, please also share a little bit, not just about this, your teaching and this course, but also just something personal about you. One last thing I forgot to mention, I'm the proud pet mom of 2 fur babies. I've got a Frenchie puppy. This is Rocky. And I also have a silver Labrador. You can't really see him here, but he's a beautiful silver Labrador. So just something more fun. Bye-bye. Can't wait to watch your videos.